2.5 hours later, first session before. Oh. It's 5:20 now. Feels like it's 11 at night. Oh. But that was a pretty good day. Went to a couple beaches. We went to Salt Creek. It was so packed there. I got just a cheap board because I haven't bodyboarded in a while from Jack's, and then we went to San Onofre, and that was pretty nice. It was a lot quieter than Salt Creek, but it was still a good time. Just ate some lunch, had a sick poke bowl, and now I'm back. Got a shower, and I have this desk back here now. I want to put that together. Probably spend a nice night with Jane. Probably cooking stuff, so that'll be nice. Get to spend some quality time with her, but oh man, I am booped. Damn, look at those shoes.
I know.
How are they for you? Wear them for the second time?
No.
Third time. Jane gave me her new sunglasses. Jane, on a scale of 1 to slay, how good do I look in these?
I didn't give you those sunglasses.
So you know when you cut onions, you cry? Why is it that when you cut shallots you cry too?
Because shallots are onions.
They're not onions though, they're shallots.
But they're in the same family as onions.
No.
What is happening?
No, I just knocked over all the garlic. What are we making?
Tom yum fried rice.
With
Shrimp and wieners.
penis. Oh, what? How's it?
Very good.
It's steaming.
Too much here.
Aha. Good. When people talk about icks, probably one of them that I think is gross is seeing someone, or especially me, try to put on a freaking wetsuit. This thing is impossible. Especially during the winter time when you're putting on a 4-3. Like, this thing just suffocates your entire body. Ugh. Just got back from the beach, just bodyboarded at, I think we were like 36 in Newport. Hung out with some buddies. My feet are all cut up. I got a blister there. Got cut up there. Oh, look how sexy that is. But it is finally time to do what I've been wanting to do for like, I don't know, 3-4 days now. All right, this is the last day. My room will look like this, hopefully. It's 8:23. I might have something in a couple hours, but it's time to put this desk, which should be an out desk, I haven't really checked it out yet, over there, and replace my Buffalo Bills Edition Lifetime table. So, let's do this. Okay, so after a little bit, the setup is done for the most part. I need a new chair, I don't know. It's a hand-me-down, it's red, whatever. But this is the setup. It's not too bad. It's a little crammed and it's not aesthetic or anything, but it's very functional. Got this massive freaking monitor right here, great for editing. Then I got this PC and monitor, so I can literally just play Valorant. That's really it. My brother's finishing building my other keyboard right now, so that'll be in soon. For this area, I'll probably steal one of Jane's mirrors and get like a little couch or something. I'll probably get a shoe rack for over there, just to get that out of the way. But I'll probably want like a nice like chair couch thing, so I could sit here and watch TV or monitor from right there. But that's really about it. Maybe get like a plant right there to go next to the shoe rack. And yeah, that's really it. After like a week, finally have a desk that I can use both computers on, which is nice. And let's see, it is 10:06. Oh man, I still have one more thing to do.